What's up, guys? Today we're doing an EAS alarm, which stands for Emergency Alert System Tier List. And I'll be looking for a better one because most of these flags I do not know. I found one, but I tried to make it so there wasn't too many flags because I'm not planning on making a too long a video. So we're ranking this from 5, which is extremely scary, to not even scary. Because EAS alarms are meant to get you, let's say, out of bed if it went off. So let's start with Iran. This is Iran. That's not Iran's EAS alarm. There's diarrhea coming out my asshole right now. Didn't know we'd be starting this off like this, but definitely shat myself. Okay, now time for South Korea. I couldn't find one that wasn't 1950s, so we're going to be basing it on 1950s, so. I mean, it's an odd thing to hear. I'm gonna have to say, like, if I was just hanging out with my friends and I heard that, it'd be a 4. But, yeah, sometimes scary, because it depends when. Time for Ching Chong Land. Whoa. I hated that. Not gonna lie, there's a woman in my corner. Get out of here. Not gonna lie, guys, that was scary because I had fucking speaking and shit in it. I'm not sure if it's, like, scary for you guys or not. You can do your own tier list at home or anything, but may even do this but bigger. So, China. I'm gonna swap Iran to scary because, like, China is honestly scarier and you don't think much from China. And I'm not going to put them in the same one if China was scarier than Iran. We're only going to have one extremely scary. Time for Taiwan. Taiwan.
It's not a hybrid. It's a Honda hybrid.
I don't fucking give a fuck. Woo. So this is an earthquake one by the looks of it. I'm gonna have to say scary, but not crazy scary. So I'm gonna say sometimes scary. I'm not sure which one's not gonna be scary at all, but yeah. Time for Denmark. Fuck off, Lone Assassin. Okay. Definitely not any normal one. I'm gonna have to say scary. United States, we all know that one. It's the one, so if you don't know that one's, you're kind of living under a rock, not gonna lie. Sometimes scary, because you don't want people to panic crazy, but you don't want people to just brush it off like, oh, someone's doing this, someone's doing that. Now time for Netherlands. To speak of the Nether language. And boop shlibbity doop. Now, it doesn't matter which type of one it is. That not Austria. I haven't even gotten that one yet. So I would say that one's scary. Shut up. Yeah, time for Austria, not Australia. For any one of you who, fuck yous, I don't even care about that point. If you think Austria was Australian, Australia was Austria, fuck you. Shit, wrong intro. Bingy dingy 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 dee. Sorry, this is an ad. I'm not gonna make you watch this. Not sure what to think about that. I'm gonna say, where the fuck did Canada? No, I'm just gonna put Austria. Sometimes scary. Sounds like one of those handheld sirens that I saw in a show. Like, you spin a thing and then it sets out a siren. We're probably only gonna make it to Australia, but I'll make a part 2 on this, alright? Because I know you guys are not really big fans of the long videos. Time for the sorry cunts. No, Canada. Stroke my, lick my, suck my cock. It's the first time for you. So here's what you do. Unzip me and strip me. I spelled that wrong. Don't go ripping out my pubic hair. Banger. This is a banger. Wait, well, I'm gonna have an idea on that, but what's this?
I'm gonna rate emergency alarm systems from different countries. 10 or higher.
I did not steal my idea from you, I swear. Alright, so Canada? I'm kidding. Scary. Russia. I don't want to do Russia. I feel like they're gonna bomb me for listening to their EAS alarm. What the fuck is Kuwait? What is this? No. Get your ass back here. Alright, let's do Russia. I accidentally got out of the tier list and I thought it didn't save it, but thank fuck it did. I'm not sure about you guys, but it didn't really ring anything for me. But, I mean, it is scary. Not crazy scary, though. Time for Philippines. Oh my fucking god, nobody actually, your shitty ass ad, bro. Skip. Motherfucker, why is this reversed? Hang on. Tuvalu. What's the Tuvalu? Banger. This is a banger, bro. Why does this have EAS on its title? What the fuck? I'm not sure if that's the actual one, but it might be, so. Fuck off. Like, if I have any Filipino viewers, can you tell me, like, that's, if that is, or if that's not your EAS alarm? But if it's not, could you send me a link to a video that actually is, so I can make what's right? Thank you. Time for Japan. Suck my, lick my, suck my cock. This is what it sounds like when people put their mics in their mouth. Nah, you wanna know what it sounds like? Sounds like this. That was fucking horrid. I'm gonna have to put that in scary. Like, you can't understand it almost. So there's not really a sound, it's just like that shit. Now the last one's gonna be Australia. Sorry guys if you like this, but yeah, I will make a part 2. Shucking on poo. Yeah, so I might be from Australia and all, but I'm not gonna be biased about this.
Get more gift ideas and BCF in Chrissy deals. Sale on now.
Oh, what the fuck? Oh, that's horrid. Wait, my home island. Oh, nah. If this was on the list, that would be a fucking full throttle. But Australia, it's scary, but not like insanely scary. So Philippines is the winner so far. So far, guys, I shall save. Download, I guess. Not sure why I need to, but I'll see you guys in the next one.